Hey beautifuls, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel where we just have a good fun time over here of opening up a bunch of boxes. Today I have my winter 2023 test tube subscription box in. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this one. I haven't even broken the seal yet, you guys. Like, it's still sealed, ready to be opened. If you've never seen this box before, this is a quarterly beauty subscription box and it is filled with a lot of great full-size products. So if you're looking for a full-size beauty box, this is one that I would recommend, but we're gonna dive in, check out the winter box, and see what it's like today. So like I said, Test Tube is a quarterly subscription box and you will receive beauty items inside. Most of the items in here are going to be skincare related. So usually when people ask me, hey, what's the best skincare box out there? This is one of them that I will recommend. I like that it's quarterly because it gives you enough time to actually try the products out. They also will send you full-size products, which is another reason why I think this is a really good box. But it retails for $60 a quarter. There's free shipping on it, but you're going to receive at least $300 worth of products inside of every one of their boxes. And the value is there. They typically have very expensive brands in their boxes. Also, Test Tube is run by New Beauty, and New Beauty is the one that put out the biggest beauty box of the year. That box had $1,500 worth of products inside of it. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will be posting that link up here and you can go check it out. But New Beauty really likes to pack their boxes. Uh-oh, okay. It says change is good on the front. And I'm like, hold on. What do you mean change is good? Like, am I getting a price increase? Like, I'm instantly on red alert when you tell me change is coming. So this one says a new season can be overwhelming, but when it comes to a beauty routine, it doesn't need to be. Your winter test tube includes a curated selection of products to help make the transition seamless. Okay, that's not that bad. I can handle that. Woo! All right, you guys, this is what your sneak peek will look like. So for $60 a quarter, I already can tell just looking at this box that I've made back at least that, just because they're full-size products and a lot of these are expensive brands. First item that we have in here is from Color Wow. This is their full-size blow dry spray. So it is an alcohol-free spray that you'll spritz on when your hair is damp, and it will actually cut down on your drying time when you are using the blow dryer on your hair. So this is 5 ounces of product. I have never used this product, but I do have a blow dry spray from THRU, and it's amazing. I mean, it takes half the time it normally takes me to blow dry my hair when I use their product. So I'm familiar with the idea of this. I just need to try this one out. This will retail for $24 if you were going to purchase this. Next item that I have in here is the Bigger Than Beauty Skincare. It is their Deep Hydration Moisturizer, and it is a full-size product at 50 ml. Now, I do not recognize this brand. It's a rapidly absorbing antioxidant-rich gel cream moisturizer that will lock in hydration to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and elasticity. So it's just going to be a deep moisturizer, but I do like that it's a gel-like cream. And then it also says that it's going to absorb very quickly compared to other ones. So that's exciting. You do need to moisturize all year round, but I do really like when we get moisturizers in winter boxes because especially with the dry air, like my skin already has just been drying out faster than usual. And I know it's just because winter season is here. But if you were going to purchase this product from their website, it retails for $49. Next up, we have Saints and Sinners inside of our box, and this is their dry finish texture spray for your hair. This is a full-size bottle at 6.5 ounces. This will give you body, texture, and volume to your hair, but it's also going to work as a dry shampoo. So this is great for the days that you don't want to wash your hair, or if you were in a hurry to get out the door, like maybe you're late for work or something, this product is a godsend because you can spritz it on, it absorbs your oils, but then it's also going to give you a little bit of lift and texture and shape. So it brings back the life after you've slept on it, because sometimes you sleep on your hair and it gets flat, you know what I mean? And you just lose all that volume. So this does work. I've used it from this box before. I think a year ago we got it. And it's a really great item. So I do recommend it. If you guys have not tried it, give this one a shot. It's cruelty-free. It's safe for color in your hair as well. But it also has an anti-static item in it as well. I don't know how they do that, but it is also going to fight off any frizz or static this winter too. I don't understand the scienciness of all of it, but I just know that it works really well. But this retails for $27.50 on their website. Oh, you guys, this is one of the best scents ever. So this is from Riddle, and this is a full-size product. I know it's gonna look small, but I swear to you, this is a full-size product. This is like $60 to purchase on their website as well. So it is their roll-on fragrance oil, and it's in their original scent. Riddle is a brand that I found a couple of years ago, and I totally docked it. I was like, this is small. I can't believe they want $60 for it. But now I'm obsessed with it, and so I love it. So it's 8 ml of product, and like I said, it's in their original scent. What's great about it is that it is just a roll-on, so you can put this on like your wrists, or like if you want to put it on your neck. I know some people will even use it on like their temples even. I usually will just put it on my wrist, but it's a very strong fragrance that you can smell throughout the entire day. And it's just so good, you guys. Like, I love that this is in there. So I don't really see, you know, they were saying we're transitioning into winter. This is a fragrance you can use year round. It's not just a winter scent. It's just a really good perfume scent. Next item that I have in here is a foaming cleansing wash. This is from Neostrata, which is a good brand, but it's going to resurface your skin while cleansing. So it's going to cleanse out congested pores, and it's going to break down any rough texture that you have on your skin, and it should brighten your skin up afterwards by removing like those dead skin cells and any of that texture and bumps you might have. This is 4.2 ounces. It does have the glycolic acid inside of this and some AHAs. So all of those are what are gonna break down any texture. Now this product will come in at $40 on their website if you were going to purchase this wash. We do have a little bit of makeup inside of this box. So this is the original lipstick, and it's from Sia? Is that how you pronounce this, or is this like an acronym? It's in the shade Daring Pink. It's a really pretty cool pink color. Full-size product that we have here. This one retails for $20, and it says that it's a magnetic lipstick even. It says that it's long-wearing and has rich pigment. So here's what your packaging will look like. I love that it's cool tone, you guys. Like, this is usually a color that I can do as a bright, hot pink, but I can't ever do it when it's got a warm undertone. So I really like that this one is cooler. Typically in winter, you're using more cool tones anyways. So this one, I am excited for. Next item that we have is from Euphoria, and this is their beautifying serum. Ooh. So this is typically a hair company. Yeah, it's a non-greasy, lightweight, fast-absorbing oil complex, and it will give you benefits to your skin, your scalp, and your hair, it says, because it's got vitamins and minerals in here. It's going to be super moisturizing, softening, and there's no artificial ingredients inside of this product either. So yes, this is a hair care company once again. We do have more hair care in this box than usual. Usually we do have like one item in here, maybe two that are hair care products, but this is like, what, my third one? So it is a little bit more than what I usually see with this box. But I mean, I don't think it's terrible. It's a full-size product. I understand why they put it in here because, again, we're going into winter, that dry air, we're needing that hydration back. Plus, you're going to need hydration for your scalp to prevent flakes as well. So I understand why they're putting this one in here. So that doesn't really bug me a whole lot. It is just an observation. So if you were going to purchase this item, it retails for $47 on their website. I mean, this brand is expensive, but I just didn't expect that much. We also have some gummies in here. So usually New Beauty will have some sort of like vitamin or supplement in their boxes. They really are all about beauty from within as well. So this doesn't surprise me at all. This is their Goodbye Stress gummies. There's 42 gummies in here, and they're going to be filled with like lemon balm and other ingredients, but they're going to taste like strawberry and lemon. And this is supposed to reduce stress. They just say take as needed, no food or water even necessary. It's gluten-free, and this will only have 15 calories in 2 gummies. The only thing that I think is funny on this, it states that it's a fast working product. When I think of fast working, I think within a few minutes, but they mentioned that it will take up to 60 minutes for it to work. So I don't really think that qualifies as fast acting. An hour is not exactly what I would consider fast. Like if I'm really stressed, I would say, oh yeah, I'd love it if it'd be working in the next 10 to 15 minutes. An hour is a bit long. These will retail for $14 on their website. I do have a product in here from Mud Masky. I feel like I have been seeing this brand so much lately. This one's their vitamin infused eye serum. So it's going to be a product for that under eye area. It fights off dark circles and any puffiness that you might have, and it will brighten it by means of that vitamin C. This product is full size, and it is also the most expensive item in our box today. So this comes in at $63 for it. And like I said, it's full size at 1 ounce, but it's supposed to also firm up that under eye area. It has been, I think even Allure crowned this as like their best of winner. So I know it's won a lot of awards for their eye product, and I feel like this is one of the best products Mud Masky makes. Last item that I have in here is an exfoliating body glove. So I see why they put this in the winter box. We want to get rid of those dead skin cells if we're dry. This one is a mitt that will remove your dead skin cells, improve your skin's texture. You're just going to need to add your cleanser to this, and you can use this in the shower then. You can also use it to rub any sort of like moisturizers as well, or lotions, and you could do that at the same time and exfoliate. So that is everything inside of my box in terms of the beauty products. Inside of every test tube box, you will also receive the latest new beauty magazine. So this magazine is the Winter 2023 magazine for right now. It's what's on the shelves. These have a lot of info inside of them about beauty products out there. One thing that I always look forward to is they talk about like, what is the best products for this season for your body? They'll update you. So I'll kind of go through these and look at them and be like, oh, this is what they recommend for skincare. This is what they recommend for like sunscreen, different things like that. So I like this magazine. It's kind of a nice perk that you get it in the box too, because nobody else does that. So that is everything inside of my test tube subscription for winter. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I think... I know the value's there. I know I'm stuttering a little bit, but I feel bored with this. And I feel bad saying it because I don't think it's a bad box. I think the brands are great. I love that they're all full-size products. I think you definitely get a great value. I mean, all of this for $60, it's definitely worth it, but it's just not very exciting. Like, it's almost like they took the winter theme too literal and too seriously, that yes, these are all products that are going to give us moisture for like our scalp and our hair and our eyes and our face, and I understand exfoliating. I get that it's perfect for this season, but it's just, there's nothing in here that's like a hero product. Do you know what I mean? Like there's nothing that's like, wow, I love the Riddle perfume even, but it's just, I don't know. I feel a little underwhelmed with this box today. But maybe that's just me, you guys. I know on paper the value's definitely here. It's not a bad box at all. I'm just not like jumping out of my seat like, hey, this is the best thing ever, because I don't feel that way. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And again, if you're interested in this box, this is the one that's currently shipping. So as long as you order in the winter season, this is the exact same box that you will receive. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!